Tired of spreadsheets and sticky notes running your store? Then let's transform chaos into control by building your very own store management software using PHP step by step. First, we'll craft a robust database to neatly store your products, sales, and customer data. We'll design tables for products, users, and sales, carefully defining fields like product name, price, user roles, and transaction dates, ensuring data integrity and efficient retrieval. Next up, ironclad security. We'll implement user authentication to restrict access based on roles, using secure password hashing to protect sensitive information and keep unauthorized personnel out. Now for the heart of the system, inventory management. You'll learn to track stock levels, add new products, update existing ones, and receive alerts when items are running low, preventing stockouts and maximizing sales. Then, we'll create a smooth sales tracking system. This feature will help you record transactions, apply discounts, calculate totals, and generate invoices, providing a clear audit trail of every sale. Finally, unleash the power of data. We'll build reporting functionalities to analyze sales trends, identify top-selling products, and generate comprehensive reports, empowering you to make data-driven decisions and boost your bottom line. This DIY solution will save you money and give you the exact features you need.